Hey guys, we're doing the $5 mix break. Where is my paperwork? We're doing the team draw. And dice roll for participants. Highlighter is type contain random live. Random live, got distracted by a visitor. Dice roll for the participants 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and yoink. Save. Copy that. Now we need team draw 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, pardon me. Copy that. Random is complete at 6:19:50 p.m. Melbourne time, and the teams are Leonardo with Grizz, Aaron Spence, Heat, Bowman Pelicans, Mitch with Suns and Spurs, Albie Rockets, Adam Faulkner Cavs, Johnny Deegan Hornets, Nick Vorsa Nets, John Jordan Jazz, Ken Myers Thunder, Aaron Spence Wolves, Nick Powell Celtics, Simi Osmond Hawks, Danilo Lagosa Blazers, John Jordan Magic, Adam Carter Warriors, Jeff with the Lakers, KB with the Kings, Brendan with the Wizards, John Jordan Pacers, Adam Carter Sixers, Albie Clippers, Johnny Deegan Bulls and Raptors, Bowman with the Mavericks, Mavericks and Pelicans, Jesus, Jeff Rutkowski, Knicks, Ash Peters Pistons, Mitch Nuggets, and Albie with the Bucks. Seems like Bowman got the best. Pelicans and that. It's multi-year, isn't it? Sure. Oh, it's only 1 year from that. 6/21/4.